Now we will discuss the MCQs of your chapter. So the first MCQ is, animal obtain carbohydrate mainly from glucose, starch, sucrose या glycogen. The right option है option B, starch. Second है, the peptide bond is a CN linked, CO link, NH link, CH link. The right option है option A, CN link. Third है, globular protein differ from the fibrous protein in having amino acid. Option B, they are repeating unit joined by polypeptide bond. C, being soluble in aqueous medium. D, being non-crystalline. The right option is option C, being soluble in aqueous medium. Fourth है, which of the following kind of atoms do not occur in carbohydrate? Option A, carbon. Option B, hydrogen. Option C, nitrogen. Option D, oxygen. The right option is option C, nitrogen. Fifth है, the amino acids are arranged in proper sequence during the protein synthesis according to the instruction transcribed on option A, transfer RNA, option B, ribosomal RNA, option C, messenger RNA, option D, DNA. तो राइट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी, मैसेंजर RNA. तो इसके साथ ही हमारा जो है वो MCQs कंप्लीट हो गए. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस द शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस.